Today on Ridge Roamer, we're going to give our kickstand a little bit more stability with the addition of this side stand enlarger. Pretty straightforward. Hepco and Becker makes this for their specific for different bikes. This one is for the Tiger 900. All we're going to do, take these 3 Allen screws out, remove this top plate, remove the adhesive backing here, set that on there, reattach this top plate that secures it, and we're done. Then we'll have a significantly larger footprint than what the stock side stand offers. So we'll go ahead and knock that out here. Should only take a couple seconds. This particular unit uses a 3mm Allen wrench. So see if we have to take them all the way out or if just loosening will get it. It looks like just loosening will get it. There we go. They're tight. That's it. It's on. Let's go ahead and take it outside. See how it does. So those two comparisons were pretty telling. The larger footprint obviously gives you a smaller pound per square inch going into whatever material. So when you're on a softer material, it's just not going to dig in as far. For comparison here, this is right here. You can see that's the original footprint of the stock kickstand, and this is the footprint of the extended pad from Hepco and Becker. So very big difference, and it's just by nature gonna stay on top and keep your motorcycle kickstand from sinking into the dirt or mud or loose gravel or whatever you might be on. So it's not an expensive add-on. Another thing to help ensure the motorcycle won't fall over when you park it. So no brainer, easy add-on, took 20 seconds to install, and not very expensive, so done deal. Thanks for joining me again today. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Get you a side stand extender. Motomachines.com has them, that's where I got mine, and this Hepco and Becker is a very high quality unit. Thank you again.